Meron silang pinball dito guys. Ikaw na mag-try sa kulay mo baby. Uncle, it's so good. That's good. Perfect.
It's a brand new day. Hey. Wake up every morning and say it's a brand new day. Hey. Take a good day, make it great, okay?
Okay guys, nandito tayo sa Dihua Street, ang oldest street ng Taiwan guys. So let's explore this and start this adventure. Let's go. Ito. Tingnan natin kung anong meron dito guys. So, may mga nakikita akong mga tindang mga mushrooms. Tela. Of course, milk tea. Daming stinky tofu dito guys. Ang sama ng amoy. Ito, tapioca balls. Sarap kaya yan. Garlic Taiwanese sausage, guys. Let's try this. Okay. Meron silang pinball dito, guys. Kapag bumili ka. Yan. What's one?
哎，再一只，再给你一只。等一下，
Baka may panalo.
一样吗？用袋子给我，哎，再给你。
Okay. Baka nanalo pa tayo isa. Let's try this garlic sausage. Garlic Taiwan sausage. Masarap guys. I like it. Nanalo ka? Ganyan din? Oo, okay. Ayun yung price. Sintung Yang. Super sarap guys. Yummy. Popsicle. Tikman natin tong ice cream. I think this is ice cream. Hindi namin alam kung ano eh. Pero kanina pa kami nagkikrave ng ice cream eh. Let's try one first. Yung strawberry. Siguro ito yung price 40 NTD. Ikaw na mag-try. Kakulay mo baby. Parang yogurt ice cream. Sarap. Ano tama ka? 40 yan. 40 NTD. Can I try? Is it yummy? It's my turn to try, guys. Let's try. Up. Taiwan Julian nuts. Look, guys. It's like, oh, thank you. May pa-free taste sila, guys. Let's try this. This one. Masarap siya guys. Para siyang peanut brittle sa atin. Ito guys, CNN recommended must eat in Taiwan daw. Tikman natin yung meatballs niya. Ito si Kuya oh. There. That's it. Ayun guys yung meatballs niya. Two meatballs, 50 NTD. Pag isa lang, 30 NTD siya, guys. Ano? Sarap. Wow, buti na lang. Naglakad-lakad pa tayo, guys. Nakakita tayo ng famous street food. Let's try the meatballs ni Kuya. Yeah, meatballs ni Kuya. I don't know his name eh. Mayroon mukhang famous siya. Nga. Masarap, guys. Tikman niya kapag yung sabaw, guys.
Itong tapon mo nga ito.
Sarap yung sabaw, guys.
Ay! Sarap din sabaw mo kahit walang lasa. Oo, dyan.
Yung sabaw niya, very light. Hindi masyado malasa. Tapos yung meatballs na lambot. Ang tamang-tama yung timpla, guys. Malinam-nam. Yummy! Nandito siya nagtitinda sa may gitna ng Dihua Street dito sa Taipei, Taiwan. Uncle, it's so good. Yes, good. Perfect. Can we have a picture, please? Yes, okay. Super bait ni Uncle. Meron tayong picture sa kanya and super sarap talaga nung meatballs niya, guys.
Meatballs.
Masarap yung meatballs ni Uncle, guys. Tawa na tawa yung mga anak ko. Ito, guys, try naman natin tong
5 pieces or 10 pieces?
5 pieces.
5 pieces, okay.
What's this? Egg cake.
Egg cake.
Yeah. What's that? Oh, there. Shape as a flower. 70 NTD, guys. 5 pieces. Hindi, pang picture lang yung basket. Sige. It's good. According to my son. Let me try it. Okay, let's try this. It's a flower shape pancake. Let's try this.
Cake nga. Baka ma-open siguro.
Parang siyang yung mamon sa Goldilocks, guys. Yung mamon sa Goldilocks na, babe.
Kuha pa tayo.
Goldilocks mamon. Yummy. Ito sa Dihua, guys. Mukha siyang hindi night market. Parang niligpit na sila dito pag gabi pa lang. Oh, let's try this. Ganito siya gawin, no? Oh. Galing, oh. Mas may lime. Yun.
这里附近有一个那种红带蓝带的那一家店是在哪里？
50 NTD, guys. Let's try this. Ooh, sarap. Pure na pure orange juice. Dalandan ba to orange? Sarap, guys. Fresh. Sarap talaga, guys. Mataas yung balahibo ko.
Kalasa ba yung ininom natin sa ano?
Yummy, yummy. Mas masarap. Nagagyan nila ng kalamansi para may asim. Hi guys! Kain muna tayo sa McDo dito sa Taipei, Taiwan. Double Oreo ice cream. Premium burger nila. Angus beef. 128 NTD. Naka-meal na siya. May large fries tsaka large drink. Tapos umorder din kami ng flavored chicken wings. 130 NTD, 6 pieces siya, guys. Masarap. Flavored wings. Burger, that's just 30 NTD. Kain muna kami, guys. Bye-bye. Hi guys, so andito tayo sa end ng Dihua Shopping District. Na-reach na natin yung end. And may konting food trip na nangyari. Yung mga tinda dito, guys, mga traditional Taiwanese mga herbs, mga nuts. Yun yung mga tinda dito. And sana nagustuhan nyo tong video na to, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe and hit that notification bell para ma-notify pa kayo pag may bago tayong mga adventure dito sa Taiwan. And end na natin tong vlog, guys. See you on our next adventure. Bye-bye! Bye, guys!